I'm Brett Panter from the personal injury and medical malpractice law firm of Panter and Sampedro. I'm pleased to report to you today about a Florida Supreme Court case recently decided in June of 2017. This case, the Supreme Court ruled that medical malpractice caps are unconstitutional. And I reported to you some months ago, or some years ago rather, about the McCall case. In that case, the Florida Supreme Court found that medical malpractice caps were arbitrary and unconstitutional in respect to wrongful death cases. So the issue with respect to personal injury cases and medical malpractice caps had not yet been addressed, but now it has been addressed in a 4-3 decision for the plaintiffs or for the consumers in all medical malpractice cases. The Florida Supreme Court followed the decision in McCall, and in McCall the court found that there was no evidence of a continuing medical malpractice crisis which justified the arbitrary application of statutory caps, and these caps were on non-economic damages. The current Supreme Court reached the same conclusion with regard to the unconstitutionality of the caps, and the caps originated from a statute all the way back in 2003, and that was Florida Statute 766.118, where there were caps, arbitrary caps, on non-economic damages for all persons injured and killed in medical malpractice cases. Now there are 2 Supreme Court cases ruling all of those caps unconstitutional. In the present case, it involved certain facts involving a woman who went into a hospital and suffered a punctured esophagus from anesthesia procedures when she was in the hospital for carpal tunnel surgery. Her non-economic damages were found to be in the multiple millions, and what happened was the court affirmed it, but then it was appealed to the Florida Supreme Court, who then found that yes, these caps are unconstitutional, finally put an arrest or the demise to these unconstitutional and unfair caps on non-economic damages, which had existed in Florida since 2003. This was a major victory for all of those who are injured by the medical negligence of doctors and hospitals and healthcare providers. So now we know that at this time there are no caps on these non-economic damages, and people can seek the justice. They can come to law firms and go to court and get their justice when they have been wronged by medical providers, and they will not be capped unconstitutionally so. And I'm pleased to report that case to you.